In recent decades, our understanding of the solar system's evolution has greatly improved, but deep questions still remain. As a matter of fact, to educate the public on this regard, astronauts have made their way to visit someplace very small, asteroid Bennu. Bennu is a lump of rock and organic material that served as the solar system's first building block. It is a time capsule, and its journey takes us 4.5 billion years back. The raw ingredients of Bennu and hence our solar system originated from a vast cloud of hydrogen, helium and dust. However, nearby stars burned up their fuel and destroyed itself, leading to an explosion known as the supernova. This resulting explosion caused the vast cloud to destabilize itself and collapse. The cloud then flattened up to a swirling disk. And in the center, where molecules collide the tightest, a protostar revved up to incredible pressures and temperatures. Deep within the disk, small pecks of dust were converted to droplets of molten rock called chondrules. This process is flash-heated, but the source of this heat energy is still unknown. The chondrules then clumped together according to gravity and turbulence and formed the first asteroids, mountains and planets. Asteroids are made from piles of rock, metal, ice and organics. The first and the largest asteroid was the parent body of the asteroid Bennu. Closer to the protostar, a planet began to form. The gas planets Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus were born much earlier than the terrestrial or rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The protostar underwent fusion and ignited, but the solar system is far from finished. The planet Jupiter was at the outer edge of the solar system, but some theories suggest that 500 million years after the Sun ignited, Jupiter slowly moved inward towards the Sun. Its massive gravity broke the stability of the asteroid belt and caused some of the asteroids and comets to move towards the Sun and rain down on the inner planets, remelting large portions of their crusts. Did they play a key ingredient for life? Did the asteroids bring first life to Earth? Did they bring any organic materials? These questions are still yet to be discussed. Back in the asteroid belt, the parent body of Bennu survived this large bombardment. The solar system cooled, and Jupiter and its many moons are assumed to be in the positions that we study. Billions of years of quiet follow. Or, so we thought. Then another theory suggests that a collision shattered the protoplanet. This collision resulted in debris and formed a new smaller body called Bennu. But Bennu will not stay in place. Dull, non-reflective, it slowly migrates toward the Sun. Solar heating turns its warm side into a glowing low-intensity thruster. Through millions of years, Bennu's orbit gradually tightens until it interacts with Saturn's gravity, altering its trajectory and hurling it into the inner solar system. Close encounters with Earth and Venus follow. Their gravitational tugs may have repeatedly stretched and reformed Bennu, turning it inside out and pulling off loose material. As a result, it has no satellites of its own. Until now. Today, NASA is sending a spacecraft called OSIRIS-REx to explore Bennu and retrieve a sample. Bennu has survived its long journey and settled into a near-Earth orbit, bringing its secrets within our reach. Now, it is ready to teach us more about the solar system's history, its formation, its evolution, and our own place among the stars.